Welcome to Cooking with Chanelle. I'm Chanelle, let's get cooking. Today we're going to talk about all the nutrients of this meal, and instead of going into all this step by step, make sure you head over to Singular's blog to get the full recipe. Today we're going to be making tofu scramble. When you hear the word scramble, you might be thinking eggs, but this meal is vegan. It's also gluten and dairy free. It's important to try new things, like tofu and nutritional yeast, which might not be a part of your everyday diet, but tofu is a complete protein. It also is easy on digestion. Then you have nutritional yeast, which is a complete protein and also has B12 vitamins. Since these ingredients are complete proteins, that means that they contain the essential amino acids. This is gonna help with nutrient absorption and muscle recovery. In fact, this recipe has 23 grams of vegan protein. Head over to the blog for the full step-by-step recipe. Make it yourself and don't forget to tag us. Until next time, stay delicious.